End user recovery of Microsoft Exchange data. Full mailbox recovery. Do you need to recover your entire mailbox without asking your admin or logging a support request? With CloudAlly Backup for Microsoft 365, you can recover all of your deleted or corrupted Microsoft Exchange emails, contacts, or tasks by yourself. The first step in recovering your full mailbox is signing into your account. Navigate to our sign-in page and sign in with your Microsoft credentials. If your Microsoft Exchange data has been backed up, you will see the following screen. If you do not see a Microsoft Exchange tile with a recovery button, let your system administrator know. Under Full Mailbox Recovery, choose either Export to download a zip file of your backed up mailbox, or Restore to copy the files back to your mailbox. Choose the date of the backup you want to recover. You can either select to restore the last backup, or click Specific Backup Date and select a date from the calendar with a backup status indication. Select which subservices to export or restore. The default is all subservices, but you can turn off any of the individual subservices. If you have chosen to restore, you have three options. If you choose Non-Destructive Restore, the system copies your data into a new folder with the word Restore in parentheses and the date of the restore. Your existing data is left as is. We have two other restore options, Replace and Bypass, that return your data to its original location. If you have chosen to export, you can click the gear-shaped icon on the Emails tile to see the extra option of Use 20 GB chunks. If the mailbox is very large, this option has the benefit of generating fewer files that are each 20 GB, rather than the default size of 5 GB. Select the export zip destination, such as Direct Download, Amazon S3, Azure Blob, etc. Review the information on the confirmation screen, and if the information is correct, click Restore or Export to begin the recovery task. You can check the Jobs page to see the status of your job. When the Restore or Export is complete, you will receive a notification email. If you chose to export, click Download Results on the Jobs page. A new page will open, which will enable you to download your data file. And that's all there is to it. You'll be working productively again in no time. Thanks for watching.